Rumfold, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Rumfold. Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. It's almost 5 o'clock. By the way, watch of the day. I am wearing my favorite Seiko. This is the Seiko Gundam Spring Drive. Limited to 300 pieces in the world. I did a vlog on this on my watch vlog. Check it out. I was at New Balance a couple of days ago. Salesman showed me a shoe which reminded me of a sneaker that a lot of you told me in the comments was one of the most underrated and most comfortable New Balance sneakers ever. In today's episode, we'll unbox it, check it out, wear it, and then I'll give you guys my honest feedback if it is super comfortable. Let's go! By the way, quick shout out to Rafa's Gear. They sent over this really nice true wireless earphones from Monster. So Rafa's Gear is a shop over at Lazada. They specialize in awesome devices like this one. If you guys are looking for super affordable, nice true wireless earphones from a reputable brand that has great sound quality, check it out. Link down below to where you can buy this N-Lite 2000 from Monster. Rafa's Gear. So witness the mess that is our living room. All of that stuff, all of those shoes. Anyway, this is the New Balance sneaker that I was talking to you guys about. M1080, size 13. So it comes in this red box. If you pop it open, ba-bam! You know, this is what the shoe looks like. And you can already tell just by looking at it that it is a beast of a comfort shoe. You take a look at the midsole. It uses the fresh foam technology of New Balance, and it is super thick. Oh, that is one thick. Look at how wide the forefoot is. I think this will be heavenly for my wide feet. And you have that super breathable upper, knitted upper. So this is, ano pa pangalan nito sapatos? So I guess it's called the Fresh Foam 1080. So I'll put it on feet, test it out, and I'll let you guys know how it feels. Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Dusty. Hello, humans. This is Dusty. Hello, hello, hello. So, initial impressions of the shoe. I was only able to wear it for a couple of minutes here at home. It reminds me a lot of the Pegasus 38 na wide, which I also did a video on, but a little bit softer in the heel and a little bit firmer in the midsole and more stable. So, having said that, I can easily say that if I gave the Pegasus 38 wide like a 9.5 out of 10, this one I will give the same score. It's a 9.5 out of 10. I think it's a big win. It's wide, so it's perfect for me. It's kind of like, where have you been all my life kind of shoe, because the moment I slipped it on my feet in them, talagang sobrang panalo, sobrang komportable. And I started walking around, as in I could feel the support and that it was really made for people like me who have wide feet. So sobrang 2 thumbs up to New Balance. So having said that, should you buy it? It's a great way na panindigan yung pagiging New Balance fan ninyo. It's a great way to hold on to your New Balance fandom or fanhood, because you won't have to spend money to buy an Ultra Boost or to go to Nike to get that React shoe or that Pegasus, because you have a fantastic alternative here with the 1080s. 1080s ba? Basta totong sapatos na to, super comfortable. I'll be heading on out. I'll be driving with my wife. We'll have dinner. And then later tonight, we'll do our usual walk. So we usually go to places in the evening to walk, to get our steps in. And I'll be taking the shoe again with me to wear it. So siguro at the end of this vlog, I'll give you another updated take on it after wearing it and clocking in like 10,000 steps on them. So keep on watching, guys. Tara! Dusty. By the way, semi-exciting, no? So tomorrow is actually the second shot of our vaccination. So we're supposed to go to Green Hills, the flying oil stadium or arena, and I'll be having my second shot. So sobrang exciting. So yeah, no, Phil Oil Arena, so Carlo Ople. So second shot. Emotional pala yung mga ganito. But yeah, super excited for this one. It's my vaccination card. So yeah, excited. Can't wait to see what happens to the world post-pandemic, or what the world would look like post-pandemic. So exciting. O nga pala, our unboxing of this Herman Miller chair will happen this week. Abangan nyo na lang. So babe, saan tayo?
S-Lex.
Woo! Dumating na kami. Kasama ko pa rin si Mrs. Diba? So nandito kami sa Shakey's S-Lex. You know, Shakey's S-Lex. Pinupuntahan namin to every now and then. Park in order. So shoutout. Kaya tayo mag-shoutout kay?
Kay Erica, yung waitress palagi. And yung manager, alamin muna namin yung
kay
pangalan.
Erica, tsaka sa manager, hello po sa inyo. Alam na namin yung pangalan. So sa manager,
Hazel.
Shoutout kay Ma'am Hazel. Tapos pakita mo yung freebie.
Like kami merong free hand sanitizer.
O, di ba panalo? So may pa hand sanitizer dito sa Shakey's. So okay dito guys. Andaan kayo dito kasi okay yung park and order nila eh. Sobrang fun siya.
Kain lang kami sa car.
Actually our plan is eventually we will have a table.
Oo, dami kasi dito may picnic setup sila. Like may foldable table and chairs. So goals.
Yung pagbuksan mo yung likod ng car, meron kang foldable table, tapos labas ka ng dalawang monoblock.
Yeah.
Tapos picnic ka na kasi sobrang laki ng area dito eh. As in it's massive. It's a massive parking. Actually nandun yung Adidas outlet. So yun yung Adidas outlet. Tapos yung Nike outlet would be dun sa kabila. So yun, chibog lang kami. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung foods namin. Carlo Eat segment ulit mamaya. We're thinking na baka doon kami sa labas sa hood kami kumain para maiba naman. Okay ba sa'yo yun?
Okay lang. Actually wala nga masyadong tao. Kala namin sarado na, buti bukas pa.
So yun. So wait lang. Antayin na namin yung order namin. So ito dinner namin. Meron kami isang spaghetti. And meron din tayong chicken and mojo. So diba dito sa Shakey's car park. May lamesa pala dito eh. So dito na lang kami kumain. So this is our new thing. Walking around S-Lex. Getting
S-Lex, the
gas station. Shellman Plaza. And getting our steps in. So the original plan was to do this in 4th, no? Pero maganda weather dito, malamig. Walang tao. So dito na lang. So bigay ko na rin yung review ko ng New Balance 1080. Yan yung suot ko ngayon, no? So if you ask me, after wearing it for a couple of hours, actually mas trip ko siya kesa sa Pegasus. Yung Pegasus 38. Kasi unlike the Pegasus, na medyo sobrang lambot yung likod or yung gitna, ito mas stable. So kung may issues ka with stability, medyo nadadapa-dapa ka, ito sobrang perfect. So for people with wide feet and flat feet, you might wanna check this sneaker out. So ito nga, Adidas. Obviously sarado na sila. So may na-adopt na kaming cat. Pakita ko sa inyo. May pangalan na siya. Pangalan niya Ming. Ito si Ming, oh.
Hello, Ming. Ay, dalawa na sila.
Dalawa na sila.
Oh, but this is Ming.
So kung kayo may Cats of BGC, meron kaming
Cats of Binyan.
Cats of Mamplasan Binyan S-Lex. Tuloy natin yung tour. So we have over here Teriyaki Boy, Sizzling Steak, Krispy Kreme, Pancake House, gas station. Comment nga kayo kung nasasarapan kayo sa Teriyaki Boy. Ikaw, babe?
Kamusta na kaya? Hindi ko alam before pa tayo kumain.
Ako, di na ako mahilig sa Teriyaki Boy. Di na siya ganun kasarap eh. Parang ever since parang wala siya sa QC. Di ba sa Quezon Ave meron doon dati? O Tomas Morato?
Tomas Morato.
Anyway, yan na yung vlog natin for today. I hope ikaw mag-boom. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up?